Good morning, everybody. So in this video, we're going to be talking about Bruce Linton. Bruce Linton screwed up again. He got terminated again, and this time from Vero Health. Vero Health terminated his employment agreement, executive chairman Bruce Linton. And it's kind of funny because, so according to this article, they say that Bruce Linton, executive chairman, on entirely without cost basis, effective immediately. So they just want to get rid of him. And according to this article, his board of director terms on board of director expires at the company on July 15, 2020. So they basically fired him a month in advance. They could have just let him stay on the board. Maybe they found him very annoying. They just wanted to get rid of him. Maybe because it's funny. They should have just kept this private, but maybe they couldn't, because I think this is going to affect their stock price negatively. Because ever since they announced it on June 8th, the stock has just been trading sideways and it's been under under a little bit of pressure. Yep, basically the stock was 91 cents. Ever since they announced it, the stock went down 20%, and I still think the stock price is going to go down even further than this. They should have kept it private, but they didn't, and now it's putting a little pressure on the stock. But I wonder, I'm seriously wonder what Bruce Linton did to get him fired a month in advance of his agreement of termination. To me, it makes no sense. But, maybe you guys want to comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts are, because I'm really curious. So, next stock is Slang. If we look at Slang, it's also under a little bit of pressure after Bruce Linton left. I wonder if Slang's going to fire Bruce Linton now, because I think Bruce Linton is on the board of directors of Slang too. I'm not 100% positive on this. I need to do more research. I know he's a shareholder and he has stocks in this company. Stocks. Anyways, moving forward. I like the word stonks. It sounds funny. But anyway, so the market today was green. The rest of the market was Dow Global's red, and the gold is down a little bit. But yeah, market's been very volatile today. It started off today super green, and then it just crashes, and now it's just bouncing back. Seems to be very volatile. It seems like investors are very cautious after what happened yesterday to be bullish on the market. So I think people are stepping back and not being as bullish as they were just recently. At least that's my opinion. Canopy today. Oh yeah, I just want to tell you guys that this is a warning. I have a bunch of negative videos coming for Canopy on the weekend, so get ready for that. A lot of negative videos. So, and you're not going to be happy with what I say on Canopy over the weekend. So, and I do have put options on Canopy right now. I just bought some put options. Will it crash the stock price? I don't know. At the end of the day. At the end of the day, rich people move their stock. So, but long term, I think Canopy should go down. Honestly, from what I'm going to tell you over the weekend, I think Canopy is trading too high at a market cap for what I have to tell you over the weekend. So yeah, get ready for that. Those videos. And if Canopy goes down, Aurora is going down. And right now, if you look at Aurora's chart, it looks bearish. It looks bearish right now. Should Aurora can release a piece of news that can reverse the course of this. But right as of recording this, Aurora stock looks bearish in my opinion. Cron is also going down too. So if Cron goes down, Aurora will go down, and Africa will go down. The entire market trades with each other. So one stock goes down, they all go down. So yeah, I think Aurora is going down, and I think it's going to drag down Africa, Cron, and Tilray. Tilray is being manipulated by rich people. If everything goes down, Tilray will go down with it. Hexo is 98 cents. I mean, you could call this an opportunity, but I think it's going down further. That's just my opinion. The SPY today is very volatile. It was green and then it was red. Gamestop, I sold out of a position. I'm reducing the amount of position on Gamestop because I think that GameStop's going to be very, very volatile. I'm still a shareholder, but I decided to back out of my position this morning with a profit. But I honestly think GameStop is a trade. Like, if GameStop goes all the way down to $4, I'm probably going to buy my position back again. Simply because I think that GameStop will be very volatile in the next couple of days. Because GameStop will trade with the market. But again, this is my opinion. I don't know if that'll happen. Maybe it'll skyrocket on Friday. But I believe that when Sony and Microsoft announces a pricing and a release date on their console, GameStop stock will spike again. But we have to wait until that happens. I don't know when that'll happen. I'm hearing rumors of sometime in the end of June or sometime in July is when they're gonna announce a release date and price. It's all part of their marketing plan. Hype up the console and then announce a release date and pricing a month later after they hype up the consoles. Nikola is shocking to me. Like, I can't believe it's still holding up. Like, there's been recently a massive amount of short interest that happened on Nikola, but yet Nikola stock refuses to drop. And right now, Nikola stock is pretty diluted. I mean, 360 million shares. That's quite a bit of shares. So, I mean, there's a lot of shorting that can happen in Nikola, but big money doesn't want to let go of this stock. Even though Tesla is crashing today, Nikola is just holding its grounds, refusing to drop. ABX today is what's it doing? Come on, load, you stupid. Okay, so ABX right now is just kind of trading sideways. I don't know what's gonna do in the short term, but if it drops, I could sell out and gamble that it would drop, but gold is our hedge against the market crashing. I think maybe. I'm not 100% positive on this. Beyond Meat, very volatile today, kind of just flat, really. Was there a halt? There was a halt. What caused it to halt? I don't know. Doesn't tell me, but from looking at the chart, it looks like there was a halt for a period of time. Oh no, maybe not. Never mind, no halt. I think this chart is just messed up. But yeah, I was just trading sideways today. Tesla stock is down 5%, but Nikola is like, nope, we refuse to drop. And it's trading at pretty decent volume too, 10 million shares. 10 million shares is pretty good when considering the stock price is at $62.60, because every million shares that get traded, it's literally $60 million. So today, $600 million got traded back and forth. That's pretty impressive in my opinion. Beyond Meat, not too much about Liberal Health Science down half a penny, down to 48 cents. Harvest Health is down 3 cents to $1.37. Ianthus is still ugly today. I still haven't done my research on Ianthus, why it dropped. Man is trading sideways. I think Man should drop too, just like Ianthus. True Eve is trading sideways today. Not too much to say about that. Curaleaf sideways action, and Green Thumb Industries is down 3 cents. But anyways, wow, I almost made this a 10-minute video. That's pretty impressive. Not too much to say about that. For me personally, I would rather see Aurora go all the way back. I don't have a position in Aurora, but I would love to see Aurora drop all the way back down to, around here. and then new CEO comes out, boom! Earnings report, boom! 250% to the upside. I would love to see that upswing again. That would be nice. I don't know if it'll do that. It might not, but I'm hoping that happens. I'm hoping that the stock just drifts all the way back down to $7, $8, and then earnings report comes out, boom, 250% to the upside again. I don't think history is going to repeat itself, but I hope it does. I hope that happens. That would be a really nice swing trade if that was to happen again, because I'm confident that Aurora will, I'm confident that, at least not like 100% confident, but I think that when earnings come around, the stock will skyrocket again. So I think in the short term, the stock's going to go down, and then when earnings come around, I think it's going to skyrocket again. But that's my opinion. I don't know if that exactly happened that way, but right now the chart does look bearish on Aurora, and I'm thinking that if Canopy goes down, I think Aurora will go down with Canopy. But again, that's my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.